Dr. Brad Gandolfi, and today I want to take you through some of the nuances of the most common insurance surgery that I do, a breast reduction. I like to call it the Fifth Avenue breast reduction. This is a technique that I've developed over time in my practice. It's pretty easy to reduce a breast. Every breast reduction results in a smaller breast, but most breast reductions don't end up with a nice aesthetic result. So really it's been my goal over the last 5 to 10 years to really take this procedure and advance it aesthetically. Let me show you what I do that's different. So what do I do different? It starts with the marking. So I'm not only going to mark where your breasts are, but where they need to go. Not just how wide they are now, but how wide I want them to be, and the position of your breast and your nipple and everything is going to be transposed onto the skin. That provides my basis for attacking the surgery. Next up is the numbing. I spend a lot of time numbing the breast, and what that does is that allows me to use less anesthesia, and less anesthesia means less anesthetic complications, less nausea, less vomiting after the surgery. And then I start to frame the breast. Now, if you think about the idea of trimming the hedges makes the house look bigger, the same, I'm going to take away the tissue around your breast because I am reducing your breast. So I'm going to take the tissue away from around the breast, and that's actually going to help your breast look better and more defined. So at this point, I'm going to remove the excess width and bottom of the breast. What that's going to do when I take the sides of the breast in, it shrinks you and makes you slimmer looking. When I take the bottom of the breast, it takes your breast off of your abdomen back onto your chest and lengthens you. So you're getting a slimming and a lengthening from this breast reduction. Next, very importantly, I'm going to take the breast tissue and secure it onto your chest and your skin where we want it to go. Nice and high and tight, generally speaking. This unfortunately isn't done by most surgeons, and it's a really important part of getting a result that lasts long term. So by doing the combination of all these things, remodeling the tissues around it, removing excess from the bottom and the sides, and resecuring the breast, you actually get a really youthful, nice, natural appearing chest that doesn't look small. In fact, most of the time it doesn't look any smaller than when you started. But we're generally talking about taking 1 pound or 2 pounds off of each breast. The final outcome is a breast that fits your frame without being too big or too small. This is truly a customized procedure that requires significantly more time and expertise than a standard breast reduction, and that's why I like to call it the Fifth Avenue breast reduction.